Hello everyone. Take your hair tight in the form of half ponytail. Then take two parts of your hair and roll it just as shown in the video. Roll that hair around the ponytail. Then tie the ponytail again. Take the other half of the hair, comb it properly and then roll it around the hair of the ponytail just as shown from the previous part. Then roll that hair and again tie it with a rubber band. Tighten it a little. Pull out few strands of the hair just as shown to make it look fluffy. Then take the lower part, tie it with a rubber band again. It should be tight. Then half tie it and make it look like a knot, inserting it inwards through the juda with the help of a back pin or a juda pin. Then you can tightly secure it with your favorite bobby pin, just as shown in the video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Divide that ponytail into two equal halves. Then roll that ponytail above and beyond that circular part, giving it a rubber bandy look and then securing it tightly with a five-legged rubber band and a back pin. You can give it a fluffy look and an elegant look. You can also decorate it as your wish. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, take the lower end, tie it again with a rubber band, roll it upwards into and beyond the upper part of the hair, give it a fluffy and a thick look, secure it properly with your favorite back pin or a juda pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then tie all the ponytaily parts together. Divide it into two and tie it separately just like that. Then take out the previous part from the latter part. Take both the parts together and tie plaits out of all the two parts. Tie the lower end of the plate with a rubber band. Give the plates a fluffy look. Roll the plates upwards and then tie it and secure it properly with a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail. Take the lower ponytail, insert it inwards and then roll it tightly with the help of a rubber band just as shown. Tie it properly with a butterfly pin, back pin or a rubber band. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, insert it through the gap, take the lower part, tie it into consecutive ponytails, make a gap past the ponytail above, take the lower part, tie plaits, roll the plaits upwards through the rubber band of the previous part, then tie all the parts together, then to hold the pin upwards and then beyond, then tie it in the form of a rubber band and then decorate it properly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Take the ponytaily part, remove it upwards, give it a thick look. Take the leftover part of the hair, tie it downwards, roll it above, beyond, and then in a circular motion, tie it inwards and then secure it properly with a juda pin. Thank you for watching.